More good news from banks. Yes, I didn't misspeak. More good news from banks. Citigroup reporting results that topped analyst expectations, at least on the profit side. And while net income was down, there are some bright spots. And I think the real encouraging thing here, when you look at Citigroup's results in tandem with JP Morgan Chase and also Wells Fargo, lending activity was up big for corporations. Corporate loans rose 22%, Citigroup said, in the quarter, and consumer loans in North America were higher as well. Deposits also rising. What I think this means is that maybe Citigroup and some of the other big Wall Street banks realize that they might have to rely less on the Wall Street side of their business. Obviously, there's regulations that they have to worry about going forward that could further hurt those businesses, as well as just this very volatile market we've been in. When you look at how Citigroup fared in its actual Wall Street business, it was pretty abysmal. Fixed income trading down, equity business down, investment banking down, and all down pretty sharply from the first quarter of this year and down from a year ago also. So I think that Citigroup, Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, the big Wall Street firms that also have consumer operations, they might fare a little better than Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley going forward, because even though the economy is not in great shape, the banks are starting to lend a little bit more to consumers and businesses. That's undeniably a good sign. Will this remain for the next few months? Not so sure about that, because obviously we still have very weak job growth, concerns about Europe not going away. So this may be one good quarter on the consumer lending side before things start to get bleak at the end of the year again, as everyone starts worrying about the fiscal cliff and what have you. But again, for now, it looks like the worst might be over for the bank stocks. It is something to cheer, even if you hate all those Wall Street fat cats.